there's Geno's cheesesteaks. And then if you just turn over here, you see Pat's. They've been competing for years and years and years. And today we're going to find out who has the best one.
The people you believe in, things you say, gone in a day. Everybody leaving, everybody leaving.
Right, okay, so we're at Geno's Steaks here as shown by, oh god, there goes our napkins. There goes our napkins. Dad's got them. We're over here at Geno's Steaks. We're going to try the Philly cheesesteak for the first time. Hopefully it's delicious. Now, what's the best?
See the whole room. Oh, there you go.
Very good. Onions. We got this one with whiz. Cheese whiz. I like it. It's worth the walk. This looks better based on looks to me. Are you excited?
I'm excited.
Okay, let's do a bite here. What does he say? Is it good? Better? You like this kind better? I'm going for the Pat's. Let's see what we get here. This one is the Pat's cheesesteak with onions and provolone. This one's definitely got more grease on it. Oh, grease. It's very good. I like it. You think it's the provolone? Or do you think it's, well, the overall sandwich?
I think the overall sandwich.
Look at that grease.
That's how it should be.
You see the grease glistening on my hand? That's what makes it good. Think so?
Geno's was last year.
So, let's just recap what happened. We went to Geno's cheesesteaks. We got one with whiz. I really like the whiz.
Whiz being a cheese.
Whiz being a cheese. It's
Right.
like a squeeze-on deal. And then we went over to Pat's, who obviously is the biggest competitor. I think we are unanimous in saying that the sandwich at Pat's, well, the steak was more flavorful and better prepared. I think it was a little bit more. We're split on the provolone and whiz. So I think the only real true solution to this problem, I think we're gonna go Pat's is the best Philly cheese, has the best Philly cheesesteak, but you got to get Pat's with whiz and onions.
Right, because if this ever gets put on YouTube or something, we can't have both Pat's and Geno's fans writing us bad letters.
Yes, and you just totally made this video uncool for mentioning you two. You heard it here live, folks.